Welcome to another video brought to you by Appliance Reliance. In this video, we'll be working on a Samsung French door refrigerator where the water lever does not work properly to dispense the water. Here is the unit model number. Before performing any of the following steps, please remove your unit from power source. We'll need to remove this display panel to access the lever assembly. The good thing is there's only one screw holding this panel. The bad thing is you will need some strong fingers to pull this panel out. The best way to do this would be to let your thumbs do all the work. Stick as many fingers as you can inside the ice chute and pull the panel out with your thumbs. This part number is a direct OEM replacement for this model refrigerator. This is the old broken lever off of the refrigerator. This lever is secured in place by two tabs. However, one of those tabs broke off. This caused the lever to sag and pull away from the activation switch. Be sure to not discard this spring. It does play a vital role and you will be reusing it. Place the spring tail into the small pinhole and position the spring itself over the large hole. Insert the lever through the spring and into the large hole, and snap the other side in place as well. For this next step, you will need to snap the spring into its seating position. The best way to do this step would be with a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the top of the display into its groove, snap it in place, and then you should just push on the bottom and it will also snap in place. And there we have it. Water and ice is working again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come.